In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stock charts in Excel. To get started, open your Excel file. Before you insert any chart, the most important part is making sure your data is set up correctly. Stock charts in Excel depend on a specific layout. So if the columns are out of order, the chart may not work as expected. Your data should begin with the date column first. After that, place your price data in this order: open, high, low, and close. Each row should represent one time period, such as a day, week, or month, depending on the kind of chart you want to build. Also, make sure all the values are entered as plain numbers and that there are no blank cells or text mixed into the data range. Clean, consistent data helps Excel recognize the chart structure properly and avoids errors during chart creation. Once your data is ready, highlight the entire data set. Be sure to include the column headers as well, since Excel can use those labels to identify each series correctly. After selecting the data, go to the ribbon at the top of Excel and click the Insert tab. Inside the Insert tab, look for the option called Insert Waterfall or Stock Chart. Click that drop-down and Excel will show you different stock chart styles to choose from. The chart type you select depends on the data you have available. If your data includes only high, low, and close values, you can choose the high-low close chart. If your data includes open, high, low, and close values, then choose the open, high, low, close chart, often called OHLC. In this example, we're using OHLC data, so that's the chart type to select. As soon as you click it, Excel will automatically generate the stock chart for you. You'll see chart elements that help visualize price activity over time. This may include candlestick-like bars, lines that show price movement, and clear visual markers for the highs and lows in each period. These features make it much easier to spot trends, volatility, and changes in price behavior at a glance. If the chart doesn't look quite right at first, the issue is usually with the data arrangement, so it's a good idea to double-check the order of your columns and confirm that all entries are formatted properly. And that's it. Once your data is arranged correctly and you choose the appropriate stock chart type, Excel does the rest and creates a clear visual chart from your market data.